everyone, Dean Seifert here with BirdReel. Another quick tutorial here on how to use the messages feature inside of the Bird Lover companion app for the BirdReel Smart Bird Feeder. Once you're signed on to the application here on the main menu, you'll see the weather at the top and all the devices listed. To check out the messages or the different motion detections that have come into your device, go down to the device that you want to look at, click on whatever camera it is. In this case, mine is Tansy Hummingbird. This will take you to the live screen or live stream for that particular device. Once you have the live stream up, you can now access this section down here called Messages. And this is a running list of all the different motion detections or bird detections that have been found on your camera. From here, you can simply click on Click to View, and it will take you into the playback section right on that particular view, so you can see whatever happened at that particular moment. And then from here you can scrub back and forward just as you can in the playback feature. There's another video tutorial just on the playback feature if you'd like more information on that. Also, when you're on the messages screen, if you want to see more of these or just see it in a wider window, you can always go to All News, and this will pull up a list of all the detections by time. And you can kind of scroll through these really quickly to see which ones are kind of interesting. Here I've got a flicker, here I've got a couple starlings, and any one of these you can click on and it will take you to the playback feature. The other nice thing on this messages section is you can filter by bird detections or just motion detections. So in this case, the camera identified this as a bird, a nice starling on there and so on, versus all motion, which could just be a bird or a car driving by. Hopefully a bird's not driving by. That would be a little weird. But if you got it on camera, post it to us because people will want to see that. You can also filter it by date here. So if you're looking for messages from a particular date, again, as it commonly works, if the date is a black font, that means there is a detection. If the date is a gray font, it means there is no detection for that particular day. You can also from here edit these by clicking the edit button, and you can select them and delete them if you'd like. Again, this will remove them from your memory card, and it's just a way to clean up your memory card in case you don't want it cluttered with a bunch of random motion detections. And there you have it. Hopefully that was helpful. That is our tutorial on the messages section. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@birdreel.com or 1-833-459-7770. Thanks for joining us today, and happy bird reeling.